Hello guys! Today I'm gonna share you my simple, easy, yet delicious French toast bread with ham and cheese. Here's the ingredients. Ingredients A. 2 medium eggs, half cup of fresh milk, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, either refined or brown, and a drop of vanilla extract. Ingredients B. 4 slices of loaf bread, ham, cheese, or shredded mozzarella, olive oil, or butter. Put all the ingredients in a bowl and mix them well. Slice the bread, cheese, and ham into half, but if you have a bigger frying pan, no need to slice it. Switch on the gas into a medium heat. Dip the bread in a bowl with egg mixture. Dip in side by side and let it sit for a second to absorb the egg mixture. And now, spread the olive oil or butter in a frying pan. Put the bread in a frying pan and wait until it turns into golden brown. Turn the bread on the other side. Put the ham, cheese, or shredded mozzarella. Put the half bread on top. Let it sit for a while. Then turn the other side. Ta-da! It's done! You can do the same in the remaining bread. And now, breakfast is ready! Itadakimasu!